Kovinc is a manufacturing company with a 45-year tradition of locksmithing and mechanical metalworking. The company prides itself on its excellent organization, quick response, professionalism, and flexibility. Its workforce of over 70 permanent workers and experts mainly comes from the field of mechanical engineering. With constant investment and expansions, we set up and increased so that today processes take place over a total of 5,000 square meters of production, 2,000 square meters of storage, and 4,000 square meters of outdoor partially covered areas. Kovinc d.o.o manufactures products in accordance with all requirements and standards, which is further strengthened by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, EN 3834, and EN 1090 certificates. Our successful operation has also earned the company a platinum credit rating. We strive to build a true partnership with our customers. We offer products and services ranging from design, consultation, and manufacture to assembly. Our technologists, designers, and programmers can also create a 3D plan and workshop documentation for you. We specialize in 4 core production programs: metal interior and exterior equipment, heavy welded metal structures, metal equipment for the electrification of railways, welded metal structures for mechanical engineering, bus shelters and bicycle sheds, other metal products. At our production plant, we carry out laser cutting of sheet metal using the latest fiber technology and an automatic handling device. Laser cutting of pipes up to a diameter of 220 millimeters using fiber technology. Laser cutting of pipes using fiber technology for large-scale production in the automotive and furniture industries, as well as other industrial applications. Signing and marking of products. Robotic welding using modern industrial welding robots. CNC pipe bending with a mandrel up to a diameter of 60 millimeters. Cutting and bending of sheet metal using state-of-the-art CNC machines. Thread machining. Manual welding of steel and stainless materials using various processes. We apply approved welding procedures, thoroughly inspected equipment, and around 40 certified welders. Kovinc d.o.o also guarantees consistent quality control and traceability, which is additionally verified by our independent controlling department. We also offer metalworking using the latest multi-axis CNC machining centers. With support of our partners, the company also offers various types of surface protection for all types of metals, powder coating in all color scales, and hot dip galvanizing. We are delighted that a steadily increasing number of discerning customers from Slovenia and abroad trust our expertise and solutions.